channel. So to be continued with part 2 of Decorator in Python. So I will go to part 2 for it. So I will repeat the last video for part 1. So we will understand about the decorator. Decorator, it means look kind of like we have a birthday cake. So and now the spleen, it's just like you should make a birthday cake and then you put something on it, but it's not outside of the birthday cake. So okay, like you put the red color on the white birthday cake, and you put the flower on it, you put the chocolate on it, and then not change anything inside of the birthday cake. That is decorator. So for the last video, so you understand about the birthday cake or something like this, I will go to the part 2 to understand more about decorator. For the syntax, when you put the decorator, you have the decorator here at and decorator, and following it must be a function following the decorator. Following it, okay. So to think out with it again, like we have this function, like original function. Okay. So let's see, and then I will want to put something on this function, but not change anything on it. So I'm going to write down a decorator. Here, I will write down like take a string, like please input your name, and okay, get, okay, give a string. Okay, I just say this, give string. Okay, and now I will put a syntax on it, like give a string. This is a decorator, and it must be follow it. A decorator is a function. So now I will call get name. Okay, we will run it. This is a file 2, tap enter. Okay, I just put my name Brian. You see, I will say hi Brian here. So this is the part 2 decorator. So also I will give to the more example for you guys. This is an example. It's from FreeCodeCamp. So you see here at when have a log day time and daily time, and the first it will write down this daily backup time has just finished, and then it will write a decorator. In the decorator, it take a function, and then it will return another function, but not change anything from the original function. Here, for example, this is the original function. You see, and then first you use step 1. You must write this say. And then you want to decorate something on this function, and then you go to write down the decorator function here, right? So this is how decorator work. And now I will run Python 3. You see it? This is how decorator works. Okay, now to more understand about when we put some argument or parameter in the function, how it works, we go to the example 4. Here I will write it. This is my own example for you guys. Okay. For example, I have a function. Sorry, here I will add x and y, and I will return the sum of x and y here, as you can see here. And then now I want to put something before I give it a sum of x and y. Here you can see, and I give this, and then I write that and I give it get some text, and later on I do it. Okay, I write it Python 4. Yeah, so this is all example for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos. Bye bye.